Audio Jungle.
So in this tutorial, as we started earlier, we are going to whiten the teeth of this image here. So we will open the image in Photoshop. Without any further ado, let's get started. You add an adjustment layer, a hue saturation adjustment layer. Open this panel, select the yellows here, reduce the yellows to -100 and the white to +100, depending on the image you're using. It doesn't work for every image, so you check the values to check how it's affecting your work. You see, when we change the yellows to -100 and the hue saturation to lightness to +100, you see it affected the skin. So you invert this layer, the layer mask. We invert it by pressing Ctrl+I to invert the layer. Then we select our brush tool and we start brushing it, but please make sure the foreground color here is white and the background color too is black, and you start painting on the teeth. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and the after. Before and the after. So that's all for today's tutorial. See you next time.
Audio Jungle.